Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about laser hair removal from the convenience of your own home. Now, a few years ago, I was seriously considering getting laser hair removal at like a med spa or salon for my underarms, and I didn't do it because it's so expensive, you guys. I think I was being quoted like $150 for each session, but I know other places charge anywhere from like $200, $300, sometimes even $400 per session or treatment, and it's usually recommended anywhere from like, I don't know, 4 to 6 treatments. They can't guarantee it, and that's a lot of money to spend on hair removal, and that's just for like one area. It could even be more than 6 treatments depending on like what area you are getting done. So these IPL hair removal devices, you guys have probably seen them like all over social media. They are very popular because you can do them from the convenience of your own home for a fraction of the price on your own time, because also when you go to the med spa to get this done, you have to take time out of your day. You can do this from the convenience of your own home, watching TV, and this device you have, you own it forever, so you're definitely saving money. Now, I did do a video on an IPL laser hair removal device, I want to say like 8 months ago, and I was doing good on that. I was doing my underarms, I was seeing really good results, and then I let my mom borrow it and I forgot about it, and she's in Florida now for like the winter. She has that, so I'm not getting it back from her anytime soon. So I went to Amazon, found another one. This one that I'm going to be sharing with you guys has some very cool has some very cool features that the last one didn't. So I thought I'd kind of do like an updated one and kind of share this with you guys, walk through it, and show you guys how to use it, give like a mini demo. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to find out more about at-home laser hair removal, then just keep watching. So I am going to continue to use the device I'm about to show you on my underarms, but I have definitely seen an improvement since I've used it, and if I probably did it the full amount of time that's recommended, I would have gotten to the results that I wanted. But about a month ago, I was like, you know what would be great? If I didn't have to shave my legs every damn day I take a shower. I'm just getting so sick of doing it. I mean, I've been doing it for like decades, you guys. I mean, I'm sure you guys can relate to me. So I'm like, it would be great if I could maybe, you know, do it like once a week, and then maybe, just maybe, not have to do it at all. That is my ultimate goal. So that's definitely my target area this time around, is my legs. So this is a device that I picked up on Amazon. Now, the one that I had previously before, it was kind of like half the size. I do like that it has the handle like this. So it's like this really pretty like turquoise, like light teal color. I love it. It's like super beautiful for an IPL laser hair removal device. Now, this company, and I have my phone pulled up before I get into the features on this, I pulled up this device on Amazon. It's by the company DEESS, D-E-E-S-S, if I'm saying that correctly. The best feature of this device that my last one definitely did not have is a cooling feature. It almost feels like an ice pack, and I'm going to show you guys this in a second. I just wanted to read off Amazon what it says. So it says, most comfortable ice compress and IPL technology, built-in ice cool technology greatly increases the comfort of hair removal experience, relieve your skin during all the treatments. And then it says that you can treat your lower legs in 4 minutes, your underarms in 2 minutes, and 1 minute for your bikini line. So I would say that's about right. And then lastly, which is great, is that this has a 2-year warranty, so that's really good. And this has unlimited flashes. I think the last device I had up to like 10,000 flashes, which means how many times you press this button, or the zaps, which you guys will see. So this says it has unlimited flashes, so that's great. But for like 95% of hair reduction, they are saying like go the full 12 weeks. So I did not get up to that my last time. Definitely gonna do it this time. So the price for these devices can range anywhere from like $200 to $400 or $500 I've seen. It is an investment, but it is worth it if you compare it to the cost of going for treatments, multiple treatments. If you add up how much that would cost, it's definitely going to surpass the cost of these devices. And then not only that, you have this for life. You can do it in the convenience of your own home. So that's what's great about it. Now, this device right here that I got off Amazon, I believe it's $3.99, but I do have a 50% off coupon code linked down below, which is great to save you guys some money. So now I'm going to turn this on and get into the features of this set. Now, this does have to be plugged into work, and it's nice too because it comes with a little stand that this sits very nicely on. I mean, it has to be plugged in, which is fine. Most of of these devices, I think like all of them I've seen, even my previous one that I had that my mom has now, has to be plugged in. So that's pretty standard. Again, I love that it has the handle. So I'm going to turn this on. I was going to like turn it on showing you guys, but it's like hard to do while looking at my computer. I'm not sure if this is picking up on my camera, but this device is pretty loud. It's the fans inside, and I can actually feel the air blowing out on the sides from the fans. So to turn this on, I basically held down the center button and then pressed the power button, and I'll get close up. Hopefully my ring lights doesn't affect like what you see, but that's what it looks like close up, and hopefully my camera wants to like focus, because I know sometimes it doesn't. Next to the power button, do you guys see that snowflake? That's the feature that basically turns this into an ice pack, and I've never seen one of these IPL laser hair removal devices have that feature before. It's very nice. So basically, you can either do it before or after you are going to do the actual laser hair removal. I've used it a couple times, but for me, I'm so used to the way it feels, it doesn't really bother me. But I know other people that don't have as high of a pain tolerance as me when it comes to these types of things might want to use that feature, because it does help kind of alleviate any pain that you would have. I mean, it's not painful, you guys. Honestly, I don't know, I mean, it almost feels like a rubber band snap. I'm snapping. A rubber band snap or like a little pinch. I mean, it's not that painful, but I know some people might think it is. So you can either cool the area, like say you're going to do your underarms, you can use the cooling device to do it before or after, or both. So I do like that they do include that feature, and I know a lot of people probably will as well. Oh my goodness, you guys, I just felt this. This is as cold as getting an ice pack out of my freezer. That is super amazing, and honestly, you could use this as an ice pack and it would just stay cold. That's really cool. So yeah, I just touched it. It's super cold right now, so I am gonna turn that off. So on the other side, you guys see that plus and minus button? That is basically to control the level that you want to go up to. Now they do say in the beginning to probably start at a lower level, and that's what I did with my last one, and then work your way up to the highest level. I go to the highest level because I'm used to it, but if you are a beginner, start at the lowest level or the lowest frequency. The highest level you will feel a little bit more, I will say that. So if you're a beginner, start at the lowest level. So basically all you do is you just, you can basically go all the way up and then go all the way down. So hopefully you guys could hear me talking over that fan. I won't know until I edit. I just turned it off for a second. I'm going to turn it back on in a little bit. But I also wanted to mention that this button right here is what you use to control the flashes when you're doing the laser hair removal. This does also have a setting where you can do the auto flash, where it just flashes instantly without you pressing the button. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to control it with my finger pressing this button right here. I did want to mention that. And then to use this, it's really simple, as you guys will see in a second. You basically go at one area 2 to 3 times. So you do the flash, you would just do it 2 to 3 times and then move on to the next area. So for the demo, I'm gonna show you guys how to use it just on the back of my arms, but I've been using this on my legs, which I'm gonna get into in a second. So since I'm doing my arm, I'm just going to do it at level 3 today, and the ice pack is on. I'm actually going to turn that off because I don't need to do the ice pack. The other thing too is if the cooling or the ice feature is on, it does take a second to get the flashes to work because it's got to cool, or it's got to heat up, not cool down. It's got to heat up first, so I'm just waiting for it to heat up. And then I'm going to show you guys like this, and I'm going to turn my arm, but basically all you do is you hold the button down and flash. Hold the button down and flash. Now I'm going to turn it like this so you guys can hopefully see it better, and hopefully you guys are seeing the flash. But you just do one area at a time. Hold it down, flash, hold it down, flash, hold it down, flash. So 3 times, and then I would, if I was doing this area for real, I would just move down here and keep going like that, hold on, like that, and then like that. But that's what the auto flash comes in handy, because then you don't have to keep pressing the button. So the most important part of this video, and why you guys are probably watching this video, is results. Does this work? So as I was saying before, when I had the other device that my mom has, I was seeing good results. With this one, I'm seeing great results. So I have been doing this on my legs. It's great because I basically just turn a TV show on, and each leg takes me about 5 minutes when I'm watching TV. And so it takes me like 10 minutes to do. When I say my legs, I mean my lower legs, you guys. But it takes me about 5 minutes to do each leg, just going around. And I do like, I've been doing 3 flashes or zaps, and then moving upward and upward and upward. So you can do 2 to 3. I've been doing the 3. But basically, you are supposed to use it once a week for up to 12 weeks. And then after that, depending on, what the results are, which should be very good, you can kind of do like a maintenance plan, maybe like once every month. Once you're at your desired level, you shouldn't have to. So I'm hoping that this time around I can get there with my underarms and definitely with my legs. So I've been using this for 3 weeks now, and you do start to see results within like 3 to 4 weeks. So I didn't see any results after like the first couple weeks. So I'm on week 3 right now, and I'm definitely noticing a difference. As I was saying before, I would have to shave my legs, my lower legs, every single day. Now on week 3, I'm noticing that I can go every other day shaving my legs. They're growing in a little bit slower. So I'm definitely seeing a difference. So I will definitely have to do an update for you guys on this. So far, the results I'm seeing are great. Again, you can do it from the convenience of your own home. I like to just turn a TV show on and do this. And I do plan on doing other areas, but I kind of just like to zone in on one area. So actually right now I'm finishing up my underarms and doing or zoning in on my lower legs. And you can also, honestly, you guys, these devices can be used pretty much anywhere, just not near your eyes. Like you can do your upper lip, obviously your arms, you can do your bikini line, which I definitely will be doing when it comes to the warmer weather. So I'm definitely going to stick to it this time. I'm not letting anybody borrow this device, and I will definitely have to update you guys. I have high hopes. I'm very excited, and if I don't have to shave or shave less, it's going to be great. So I will have this listed down below. Again, it's from Amazon, and I will have the coupon code listed as well. Definitely take advantage of that coupon code. And if you have the Amazon Prime, you get it in 2 days, which is great. So let me know in the comments down below, have any of you guys tried these at-home IPL laser hair removal devices? And if so, what has your experience and results been with it? Are any of you guys thinking about trying this out and then saving your money and ditching the med spa and multiple sessions and treatments of laser hair removal? I would be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.